programme, we needed to review the colleges within Wales that were going to undertake the training for our apprentices. We are pleased to announce that we have partnered with Newport College, Coleg Gwent, because they showed the appetite to grow with technology in the industry and to train our apprentices at the highest level. And as you can imagine, in the industry at the moment, the automotive sector, there's more technology coming into vehicles than has ever been known before. And this requires new frameworks that deliver the right training for the right calibre of apprentice. Now, the apprentices in Wales undergo a different apprenticeship than those in England. So the English apprenticeships are under standards, which were revised, and now we are working closely with Welsh Government to make sure that the qualifications for apprentices in the automotive sector in Wales are going to be refreshed, and a new multi-skilled qualification will be written by the IMI, and it will be available for apprentices to enrol on for September 2020. We've branded our apprentices with their own uniform, which you'll see clear in the videos. They're quite bright, and we actually demand a high standard from their behaviours. And in return, we give them an abundance of training. And for the right apprentice, showing the right behaviours and the right skills, we will proactively put those apprentices through to competitions.